This video shows soldering for an laser wire, automotive air suspension, solenoid valve assembly. In automotive electronics, joint reliability is critical. The connection between metal pins and PCB through hole pads directly affects the system stability and durability. The laser soldering system positions each joint with high precision. A focused laser beam provides non-contact heating, while a closed-loop wire feeder delivers consistent solder supply. The soldering wire melts instant. LY under controlled laser energy fully wets the pads and pins and forms a strong metallurgical bond compared with traditional soldering. This process minimizes thermal impact, eliminates mechanical stress, and reduces defects such as hole joints and bridging. Raycostec provides advanced laser soldering solutions for automotive and higher reliability electronics manufacturing worldwide.